guys, this is Dr. TWL, and if you don't recognize me, I don't blame you because I decided to play a little dress up and I'm here as Rocket Sphinx today. Would you like to guess where we are right now? Well, it turns out I've decided to take you all on a trip to the moon. Now, why the moon, you may wonder? This is where I was first inspired to create the biofunctional textiles in our skincare range. Now, the CUIONS and ZINCOOL masks are actually from biofunctional textiles incorporated with precious metals such as copper and zinc to create a new generation textile with therapeutic properties for skin. Now, did you know that in the July issue of Earth and Planetary Science letters in 2020, scientists published the discovery of concentrated metals within these lunar craters that supports the theory that the moon was created after a collision between a young Earth and a much larger planet. So, the lunar crust actually concentrates valuable metals, which we study here in our space laboratory. These are part of the development of our skincare textiles under Dr.TWL Biomaterials. These directly target the skin microclimate to create a healthy skin ecosystem. My research was published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology in the year 2020. It talks about the use of biofunctional textiles to treat Maskne as well as other dermatological conditions like eczema, rosacea, and perioral dermatitis, which are linked to disturbances in the skin ecosystem. The skin microbiome is both an enigma and an exciting area of dermatological research. Metallic nanoparticles in our engineered biofunctional textiles have broad-spectrum bactericidal activity, which perform direct contact killing of microorganisms such as the bacteria that causes Maskne and secondary skin infections. All this without causing antibiotic resistance. The skin is an ecosystem which harbors both good and bad bacteria. This presents potential for treatment of skin diseases by maintaining a healthy skin microclimate. Well, that's it for today's science excursion. I hope you enjoyed the trip to Dr. TWL Biomaterials Space Lab.